I'm going to show you how to use a translator tool in PowerPoint to quickly translate text to other languages. So all you have to do is go to the Review tab and go to Translate. So by default, Auto Detect is on, so it's looking for the default language of your PowerPoint program. Now I want to translate Strategic Growth Initiatives to Spanish. So the first thing I'll do is click this drop down and I'll find Spanish. And then once I've selected it, now I need to select the text box. You can translate specific words by selecting the words, or if you want everything in the text box, click on the dashed line of the text box and notice it becomes a solid line. And notice to the right, the translation tool has translated Strategic Growth Initiatives to Spanish. Now all I need to do is click the Insert button, and the text has been translated. And just keep doing this for any other text boxes that you want translated into a different language.